God took one of his ribs. Now, how did God do that? Now, God would have been able to just magically, well, first of all, God didn't need to do it that way. Could have just formed another body right there from the dirt. He could have said, I'm going to miraculously, beam a rib out of Adam's body so that I can from it form this other body. But no, look, he took one of his ribs and closed up its place with flesh. You see what happened? He took it. This is a surgery. He has put him to sleep. He has opened his flesh to remove a rib such that now he has to close it up. From a wounded side comes a bride. From the wound comes the repair. This is the gospel. This is the gospel. The first blood shed in the Bible is right here. The first blood that is spilt is right here. And it is God who does it. And it is for the good of the man, for the creation of a woman, to fulfill this relational need based on him bearing God's image. It is the creation of a bride.